All right, here we go. We've got a 1993 928 GTS Polar Silver in the shop. So we did a little bit of dry ice cleaning on this car. Before we get into that, which is really cool and you're going to want to stay tuned for, I wanted to give you guys a few brief overview of what makes this car so special. So this car, as stated, is a 1993. It's a 5-speed manual sunroof delete car, which if you've ever sat in one of these, you're going to want that sunroof delete. This car's Polar Silver. It's featured the 17-inch Cup 1 wheels, and all in all, very, very original, very respectable, low mileage car. 28,000 original on the car. We moved from the front all the way to the back. As I previously mentioned, we dry ice cleaned this car. We touched almost every inch of this car. We did all 4 corners, inner wheel openings, every single wheel. And you're gonna see a lot of really heavy contamination. From the factory, they were afterwards coated in a really thick cosmoline to preserve, and over time, that material, one, yes, it's unsightly, but two, it can start to trap moisture, right? So you wanna be able to take that off to be able to expose, one, some of the original finish on the materials underneath, because it makes for a really nice presentation, but also make sure that old cosmoline, it's just older technology, isn't holding any moisture. So starting from the front to the back, we touched all the front suspension, removed all the belly pans, came all the way back. We did our exhaust treatment all the way to the transaxle. So basically from bumper to bumper, the entire underside of this car has been touched. We also opened the hood, the bonnet, if you will, and cleaned that beautiful V8 5.4 liter. So on this particular car, we spent about 16, 17 hours just dry ice cleaning on this car. Every car is very, very different. We could get another 928 in this week and spend more time, maybe even spend less time on cleaning it. And that's the one thing, we often get phone calls where people are asking, hey, I saw a video online, I want my car to look like that car. Every car is so different. They're like people, right? We all have our own unique personalities. This specific car took us about 16 hours, and I think you guys are gonna see that 16-hour investment was well worth it once you see some of these action shots.